Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing both accounts. Enable a map in Gmail so Outlook can sync folders. Once done, turn on two-step verification and generate an app password to use instead of your normal password. Make sure you write down your Gmail address and the 16-character app password and confirm which Outlook version you're using. This prep avoids authentication blocks and ensures secure access. Now, open Outlook and get ready to add a new account. The next steps connect settings to establish mail flow. You add the account in Outlook by selecting File, then Add Account and typing your Gmail address. If Outlook prompts for automated setup and fails, choose Manual Setup and select a map to enter server details yourself. Input incoming server a map, Gmail, COM with port 993 and SSL, and outgoing SMTP, Gmail, COM with port 587 using Startles or TLS. Then use your full Gmail address as username and paste the app password when prompted. After credentials are accepted, make sure folder sync and sent items. You finish by running a send/receive test. Send a message from Outlook to yourself and check that sent, drafts, and trash mirror Gmail web. Once synchronized, adjust how sent messages are stored under account settings, more settings, and folders so duplicates do not appear. If you see authentication or sync errors, re-enter the app password, confirm IMAP/SMTP ports and encryption, and then restart Outlook. If problems persist, temporarily disable security software to test connectivity, but make sure you re-enable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.